So are you wondering about visiting the natural ice palace in Hintertux? We have everything you need to know. And my name is Abby and this is Inside the Travel Lab. Let's have a look. So we are up on the Hintertux Glacier, about to go into a real ice palace. As you can see, I'm dressed up warm because it's snowing and cold here, but just 20 minutes ago, half an hour ago, we were down in the valley, so it was short sleeve t-shirt, really gorgeous summer weather. So this is summer in Austria. I can't wait to see what's inside the palace. Follow me. They are still uncovering different parts of this ice palace, opening new bits each year. It is incredible. You can go boating on an underground lake, you can stand amid beautiful natural ice sculptures, you can see the scientific discoveries. It's an absolute highlight. There's lots of science to learn down here as well. We have found sand from the Sahara that you can see in the ice. We've heard about local legends. We've seen secret caverns. There's actually so much to learn. There's research going on here. There's ice water swimming going on here, which I think I'll give a pass if ever I get the chance. And it's absolutely amazing. We are standing right by this amazing ice palace. Can you tell us how you found it?
It was a coincidence. Nobody expected. You must imagine this glacier was open for skiers in the end of the 1960s and nobody knew about it. And I was returning from that peak in 2007, Zillertal, and went up the slope number 5, the steepest slope on the glacier, but the only place we found crevasses. You know, normally the steeper slope, the higher the speed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
More tracks. Yeah. And the first time I saw them in small 10 centimeter wide open. Normally not interesting, but there was nothing before. And I'm a member of the mountain ski team. We had trampers on my feet, and axes in the backpack. And so I climbed up and had a look inside. And I was astonished that it wasn't touching anything. And a few days later then I have opened with a special rescue team with a hammer and a camera with an axe.
Yeah.
The day was free.
When it comes to visiting the Natural Ice Palace with kids, there is an age limit of 6, but the guides, you have to go with the guide. They will assess the child on the way down. So if they're 5 and you think they're sensible and they're cool climbing ladders, then they'll let them have a go. And similarly, this goes for children or adults, in the first stage of the Ice Palace, you've got quite a few ladders and slippery ice passages. And it's quite a steep walk to get down to the entrance on the snow. So if the guide doesn't think that people can follow instructions or they think you're too unsteady, they won't let you go any further. So I think that gives you, or it gave me anyway, a lot of reassurance that actually once you're in, you'll be fine. We visited when Rosa was 5.5 and I was a bit worried. She was fine. In fact, this was the time where she's overtaken me. You remember when you were young and you saw like middle-aged mothers and their kids were zooming past? This is now the age that it happens, age 5. She was steady-footed and clear-headed and brilliant, and I was slipping all over the place. You can ski, you can snowboard, you can visit the Natural Ice Palace, you can have a snowball flight, and you can go ice swimming if that's your thing. Thank you for watching. My name is Abby. This is Inside the Travel Lab. Do press subscribe below or visit the website, check out the social channels. We can show and bring you more stories from around the world. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.